Oil prices climbed sharply Tuesday after the Pentagon said Iran launched more than a dozen ballistic missiles against U.S. bases in Iraq. The apparent retaliation for last week's U.S. drone stroke against the senior Iranian commander amplifies concern about a spiraling tit-for-tat conflict between the United States and Iran. U.S. crude jumped more than 4% to over $65 a barrel Tuesday evening after U.S. officials said Iran launched more than a dozen missiles that targeted at least 2 bases hosting American military personnel. Crude, which settled at $62.70 a barrel during regular trading Tuesday, climbed as high as $65.48 a barrel. Significantly, the attack was claimed by Iran itself, not one of the nation's various proxy groups in the region. And the Pentagon said that Iran used ballistic missiles from inside Iraq, indicating a significant escalation. It comes as no surprise that there has been a reprisal from Iran. The concern is that this is just the sign of things to come, said Matt Smith, director of commodity research at Clipper Data. President Donald Trump, who has previously visited one of the airbases targeted, has been briefed on the rocket attacks. The Pentagon said it is working on initial battle damage assessments and will take all necessary measures to protect and defend U.S. personnel and allies in the region.